So in my mixing bowl, I have here 1 can of red beans. Let me show you the type of red beans that I got in the store. I got this kind. It's already seasoned and everything with pimentos and stuff. Pimentos and olive oil and tomatoes. So it's tasty already. So I don't really have to add much seasoning to it. But of course, you know, I'll add my other ingredients and taste it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a potato masher and mash the beans. So I'll be back when that has been done. So here's my beans all mashed up. I'm going to add some chopped up celery. I'm going to add this is a sweet corn. I'm going to also add some oats. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. Next, I'm going to mix everything together. So here's my mixture. I went into my fridge and I found some ingredients that I want to add to this. So I'm going to add, I have some dried basil leaves here. I've lost my plants, guys. With the hurricane, I lost all my plants. I'm going to add some black pepper. Give it a little extra kick. Because it's tasting good, because like remember I said, these beans are really tasty and everything. This is some garlic powder. I'm going to add a few splashes. And as the beans has a lot of moisture in it, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Before I forget, initially I added 3 tablespoons of the oats. I added 3 more tablespoons, a total of 6 tablespoons of the oats that I have in this in the bowl here. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the breadcrumbs right now. I'll mix again and check for the fullness. I think I'll make that 3 tablespoons of the breadcrumbs. Okay, so here's my mixture, looking good and tasting good. So next I'm going to form them into patties. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the mixture. I'm going to make the patties. I'm kind of an awkward angle here. And I'm just going to fold it. Now I'm going to dip it in some flour. Just coat this mixture that I have in my hand with some flour, and then we're just gonna slightly give it a slight little press, and in the meantime giving it the patty some shape, a circular shape. And then I'm done. So I'll finish this and I'll be back. So here are my patties. I'm all done. What I'm gonna do, not bad for 1 can of peas, eh? So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, allow this to rest for a few minutes, and then I'll continue the process of putting them to fry. I want to give mention to another YouTuber, a friend of mine. Her name of her channel is I.createmyspace, Marie McGuire. I got this recipe from her, but I did mine a little differently. Yeah, so you can check out her channel and see what she does, see her version of this recipe. Again, I got it from her channel, and I did a few things differently, like I said before. So I'll leave a link for her channel in the top right hand part of the screen and in the description box below. So check her out and tell her Martina sent you. Okay, so after my patties have been in the fridge for a few minutes, maybe about 15 minutes, I'm going to put them to fry. So I already have my pot on the fire with some oil. I know it's already hot. So you can put those to fry. Let me just make sure my fire is on medium heat. It's on medium heat right now. Just allow them to get golden brown on both sides, and that's it. So now I'm going to begin to turn each one over. Good technique here. It's smelling really, really good in here, guys. It's smelling really, really nice. Okay, so I'll begin to take them out. Maybe about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Should be fine. You know, I never thought about doing patties with red beans. I did quite a few recipes with lentil peas. And it's only when I saw my friend Marie recipe, I said, you know what? Why didn't I think about that? Doing these vegetarian patties with red beans, you know? Something different, you know, the little variation. I think I did black beans patties too as well. I love these kind of patties. Be creative with them, you know. Just do one more. And I'm all done. Okay folks, this is the final product, looking absolutely amazing. So let me just give it a quick little taste and cut inside so you can see what it looks like. I love this kind of things, guys. And you see how I have it presented with the avocado and stuff. That's all I would eat, maybe with a salad and stuff. Have a patty, piece of avocado, maybe with a nice salad, and I'm good to go. That's how I like to eat sometimes. Just call some more. And you know what? Even though as I put the oats, I'm not even tasting the oats, which is a good thing. Yeah, baby. Okay, folks, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.